Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know some of you may know me as Crocheters Creed, and I know it's been a while, so let me update you guys really quickly. Now, I know it's been a minute since I've uploaded. I don't know if it's been maybe 6 or 7 months, maybe a year. Honestly, I'm not sure. I feel like I sort of abandoned my channel, honestly. But life happened, and as some of you know, I've gotten married now. I moved into my home with my husband. I had a pretty demanding job at the time too, which I loved. But of course, jobs take over, a lot of your time. And I also got a cat. It's I know that's not like a big deal, but it was to me. And a lot of things happened, and I didn't really have time to dedicate to my channel like I really would have wanted to. So I decided to come back here and update you guys because I know it's been a while, and I do want to be more active on my YouTube channel. This is something that I have loved doing. I may not have been the best at doing, but it's something that I loved, and I feel like um, have a better skill set now. I've just learned so much since my first, couple videos of, my channel when it first started to kick off. And I really want to share with you guys where I found my newfound love for crocheting. Honestly, the thing that brought me back to crocheting was a Comic-Con that I attended with my sister-in-law. And it was a really big step for me because I'm not a very social person. I can be, but for the most part, I'm pretty introverted and I'm shy. So the thought of attending an event that had, thousands of people was extremely daunting to me. But, I did it. I took a leap of faith, and I stepped out of my comfort zone, and I really, really enjoyed myself. And I also have a brother and sister-in-law who frequent Comic-Cons and do very well. I'll link everybody's businesses down below. Truly, they're very, very talented. I've never been disappointed with anything that I bought from them. I'm not saying that because they're family. I'm saying it because they do very, very good work. But Sanitha, she shared a booth with me. She's my sister-in-law. I love you, Sissy Boo. She shared a booth with me, and she really just taught me the ins and outs of Comic-Cons. I mean, again, like I said, I'm a very shy person. So dealing with all of these people coming up, being so interested in what we made, it was scary, but I feel like when I got the hang of it, I felt like I really started to enjoy myself. And my husband went with me. He was Gandalf. I was just a fairy, fairy elf. And we really had a good time. And I felt like in that time, just seeing how dedicated people were to their businesses and how proud they were to share, their businesses and the products that they made, it made me, think to myself that, I could do this. And I have a tendency after I make something to completely hate it, but to see these people have so much pride in what they did, it just made me think like, I can do that. I can do that. And maybe I should have a little bit more faith in my work than I do, and a little bit more faith in my skill set, because there was a point that I just wanted to give up on my channel completely when I saw people, comment and say that they didn't understand something, and though that was my fault, it just felt like I was a failure and that I didn't do my job enough to, get the tutorial right, or whatever the case may be. I just felt like I failed, and that's the whole point of my video is tutorials. And if I fail tutorials, and I'm thinking I failed in general, and you just change, you evolve, you get a better skill set, and that's what I plan and am doing. So I want to make more videos. I want to make more in-depth tutorials, better projects, and I haven't forgotten that I want to remake certain things on my channel too. And I also want to participate in future Comic-Cons too. It's something that I think that I would enjoy, and I felt like I met so many people that day that were just so sweet and so endearing, and everyone for the most part was so kind, and being able to share your interest and your things that you're passionate about with, you know, strangers, and to see how much they love it as much as you, you know, it's a really amazing experience. So I guess that's it. And I hope you guys can, you know, stick with me through it and hopefully see me evolve and see me get better at what I do. So thank you for being here. And I feel like I should have like a little outro or something, but I don't right now. So, you know, bye for now, and hopefully you'll see me very soon. Bye.